Hey, what's up, guys? M2M. I wanted to do a video. Hopefully, you swing over to M2 Millionaires. We just launched this week. I'm going to be doing a personalized coaching, a monthly coaching session with a select group of students. So, what that means is that I'm going to actually be either on FaceTime or one of the other platforms to actually talk to you guys about what we're doing as far as investing. I won't actually point out specific stocks until my broker's Series 7 license goes through. However, I will be talking about how to set up your account and how to set up indicators. So in the course, as you know, we go over a lot of the indicators. We talk about the RSI, the slow stochastics, the volume indicators, the moving averages, and all these indicators here. So what I want to do is I want to set these up for you inside of your own accounts. Help you guys set those up because the market's looking really, really good and ripe for the taking right now. There's a lot of industries that are really low, and this is probably the best time to get in. So let's go swing over to M2 Millionaires, go check out courses, and under courses, it's actually a really good rate as far as coaching goes. It's only going to be $29 a month, and you're going to get a few videos from me that are already recorded, and then we're going to do a live call on one of the weekends or whatever where everybody's good at as far as the time wise. So I'm excited about this because this is actually more of a hands-on type of situation, and I'm going to be learning a lot from you guys of what you already know. You're going to be learning a lot from me, what I've learned over the years, and how I've been successful at this so far. So let's do this. Let's make some money, take that small investment and flip it. All right. See you soon.